Alright, so welcome. Today we're going to be doing photographer. They all heard that story, by the way, Audrey, on your phasmophobia problems. Just want to make a directory for photographer. CD in there. And then we'll go ahead and do a ping on this guy real quick. He should be up and running. Yep, he's up and running, so let's go ahead and Control C. We'll clear that out. Let's go ahead and start up our MF scan on him. And looks like we can, okay, so we got port 445 and 139 now. Let's go ahead and do an enum for Linux with that. Whoopsie daisy, that's not what I wanted. I don't know what the hell I'm even looking at right now. Enum for Linux. Let's throw that in there. There we go. And yeah, ghosts are fun. Yeah, phasmophobia. Especially to change a bunch of stuff up. We also got a port 80 in there. Let's go ahead and run a GoBuster on it. And we'll also go and check that out. So do GoBuster dirtac U. And we'll go ahead and check that guy out also. See if he's got anything in there. 192.168.56.76. He's trying to load up. Hopefully we get some names over here. We can also try to do a SMB client. TAC L, whoops. TAC L, then the IP address, see if we can get in there anonymously. Alright, looks like we can get into Samba Share anonymously. Can we get in all of them? Anonymously? Samba Share, can we get into that? Yes we can. Or DIR. Oh, we got two things here. We got mail sent.txt and WordPress backup.zip. Let's go ahead and mget star.star. Please do it like that. Yep, there we go. Okay. Go ahead and exit out of here. Clear that out. See if we got any usernames right there. That numerate users. Might not get anything till higher up, but if there is usernames in there, did not get that stuff. I thought I just did an mget. I'm just going to do a regular get. Whenever I do mget, for some reason, it's like, do you want to get this? Yeah. Get this? Yeah. Nah. We're just kidding. Or do I have to actually press, like, yes? Mget. I'm going to try it again. Yes. Oh, I have to actually type in yes? I never knew that. I used to be stuck on that one, though. Photographer, none. This domain group, okay. Going to exit out here now. And from here we'll go ahead. Windows box? No, I don't think it's a Windows. It shouldn't be a Windows box. I'm on Proving Grounds, and I don't have a description of them, so it should be a Linux box still. But even with Linux boxes, if they have SMB on, so you can have like the Samba SMB share, you can still do enum for Linux with that also. So let's go ahead and do an ls.la, and we got our. Let's go ahead and try to unzip that WordPress. See if we do that. Wow. Okay. CD in a WordPress. Pretty much like we got the actual site, huh? Can we look at the WP config file? WP settings, WP config sample.php. That's not gonna help. Let's go ahead and go into WP admin. Or is this just like a never knew I could do that. Okay. Is this gonna be a rabbit hole like right here? User upload. Looking for config.php. There's a sample. I don't know. This might be some type of wrap. Let's go ahead and see what that text document says. Let's cat that mail sent.txt like right there. So we have to Daisia Ahomoe. I don't know. DaisiaPhotographer.com. Okay. That might give us something too on that website. I don't know if we're gonna. Oh, look at that pretty picture. Photographer by. That's a weird name, isn't it? Like right there. I wonder what that's all about. This name, like right here, that's a weird name. That's weird to have that. You know what I'm saying? And then the rest of it's nothing. Nothing in there. Like that's just a weird for like photographer. But I'm gonna go ahead and save that. We're going to go ahead and do echo that into something.txt, because that's weird. I don't know, that's just weird to me. Alright, so hi Deja, your site is ready now. Don't forget your secret, my baby girl. One second. Cat user, no, cat user share where there's rocky.txt grep, I'll just say it's gonna break the box, grep baby girl. I'll say I thought baby girl's in rocky.txt. I think just straight up baby girl's in here also. Baby girl. It's just weird that this person would call the other person baby girl and said, don't forget your secret. We also have images and assets over here, but we haven't found anything else, and we haven't found a user yet, have we? Photographer, local user? Nobody, that's not going to be it. That's going to be a domain group. But I feel like we have, well, this is to Deja also. And they sent this out to herself. From, okay. Clarence. AGI Clarence. So let's go ahead and do a potential user. So we'll nano potential users. Users.txt. We'll do AG Clarence, a Clarence. I spelled clearance. a Clarence. We'll do something like that. And then we'll do Deja, AHOMI, Amoe, Amoe. Do something like that. Just to make a quick user file or something like that, and we'll see if we get anything in there. Now let's go ahead and you got anything over here with enum for Linux yet? Must say I got excited for a second there, but it's still not looking like anything so far. This is very, if we're gonna find them, they're usually in the 1000 group. So this is like where they're gonna be as in the 1000s. So hopefully we can find someone in here, and we can at least get some type of username. We also still need some type of somewhere to go. And GoBuster is taking a minute to do anything. So let's go ahead and, is there like a robots? Can we start to enumerate this menu? Nope, not robots. There's a menu over here. Generic. I'm also thinking about using that name that we found earlier that I put into something.txt and seeing if maybe something like that up here. Elements. This is bold and strong text. Okay. Heading. Name, category. Enter your message. Send message. Reset. Query. Search. Can we search for something? Like A. Search. What happens if I do that? Nothing up here. Can we fill out this form? Send message. Anything happen with that? No. It doesn't say like congratulations message sent, nothing like that. Okay. So I don't know if this is, they can use her Helio by template. Photographer, this like right here. Yep. Can we put that up here? No. Okay. So I see maybe that was something. Maybe it uploads. Try upload. For uploads maybe. Okay, nothing in there. What does Mmap bring back? 8,000. So we have another port there. Port 8,000 like right there. I'm going to exit out here so you guys see that a little better. You got anything over here yet? It's not looking like it. Here we go. Okay, port 8000. So we can go ahead and check that out, like right there. Hop back into here. We'll do 8000. See what that's all about. Okay, so we've already seen that name once before. Timeline, albums, content, essays. This is all changed up here, but I'm not getting anything else. Built with Koken. We don't have permission to view that. Koken.me. That might be something we might want to look into. It's like a real site. Forbidden, you don't have. Okay, no, I don't think that's a real site. It's HTTP. So let's go ahead and see if we can enumerate this anymore, maybe. I don't think there's going to be anything in there. Let's go ahead and go Buster, dirt attack you, boom, boom. Attack T for threads, try 100. If I go too high, then it's going to, you know, it's going to be even worse for me. Assets, images. She's a photographer, right? Images has a lot of stuff in it. Slash images. 404 error. And how did you get to images? Oh, probably because I'm attacking the wrong thing. Maybe that's why. Because I'm an idiot. 8000. What? Server returns status shows match and provide options for non-existing URLs. One 192.168.56.76, right? 8000. We got a user over here. Desi and AG. Okay, cool. So we got those two so far. That's good. Yeah, that's. Huh, so we can't. Okay. We do a nickel on him? So we did get 2 users so far. Could just try to brute force it. What is there, like, should we manually do this? Like robots.txt? Maybe robots. Nope, nothing in there. What about robots? Oh, whoops. What about, let's see here. What about uploads? Okay, we just keep getting error 404, but this is built with Koken. Then we get here, it says Koken.me. Let's try to see what this is all about. Koken.me. Sudo nano Etsy host. And we'll do our that box.p address, which is 192.168.56.76. So we'll do a quick 192.168.56.76. We'll go ahead and put that in there. Whoops. And he said too, an uncommon header is found. Control X, yes, enter. Let's go ahead and try to get to that guy now. See if we can refresh it now. Hey, thank you very much, Carlos19. Thanks a lot for following. Let's go ahead and get back into that nano host here. Yeah, I put HTTP and everything in the beginning of it. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Still forbidden. You don't have permission to access the server. So let's go ahead and get back to this guy, timeline, albums, content, and essays. Nothing in here, huh? And I can click on her. No featured content. Assign some in the library. /library. Let's go ahead. We found that one thing.zip, right? Let's go ahead and see if we can look at that. Let's also see if we can put anything in there. Curl. Alright, let's see if we can put anything in there. So do a curl tac V, tac X options. And then we'll do the IP address of 192.168.5676. Yep, 56.76,000. Not really giving me the options for this guy now, is he? Huh. No. I cannot. Let's see here. How do we... So we got to this port of 8,000, but we can't do anything with GoBus with him, as far as we know at least. Python 3 dir search. If we do a Python 3 dir search, we're not using a proxy, so probably should delete that in the beginning, huh? 192.168.56.76, port 8,000. He's able to do it. Why wasn't GoBuster able to do it? Okay, so we got APHP, we got slash admin. Try that, because we do have a couple of usernames that we know, that we think we know. Well, we have one that we're pretty sure it's baby girl is the password. So it's either going to be Deja or AG. But we're pretty sure that baby girl is the password. I'm surprised. Koken, okay. Email address. Ooh, what was her email? We did have that actually, didn't we? Cat mailsent.text. We do actually have her email. So this is from her to Deja. Where's... Okay, I think I want that email address like right there, because she's saying hi Deja, so I need Deja's email address. And password we think is baby girl. G-I-R-O or G-U-R-O? G-I-R-O. Sign into that. Maybe this will do something. Carlos, you come in and ask me if I have Roblox and then leave? No. No, I cannot. This thing's still signed in. It's doing something. I mean, it's trying. Connected. It's doing some crazy stuff down here, actually. Transferring data. Koken, okay. I think we're getting in there. There we go, just like that. Just like I thought. Alright, well, what the hell is this? Site settings, store. Can we upload something to store? I mean, I've done that one before. Console. Okay, there's a version. Is Koken and actually the KOKN, is that an actual thing? Let's try a search exploit for it. Search exploit KOKN. Koken CMS. Arbitrary file upload authenticated, which we are now. 0/22/24. 0/22/24. Huh. Well then. Let's go ahead and search. This is just kind of falling together now, huh? Search exploit TAC-M 48706.txt. Let's go ahead and read that. We'll cat that 4706.txt. Alright, what did you do here? Exploit, okay. Koken CMS upload restrictions are based on a list of allowed file extensions with a list. With a list. Which facilitates pass-through handling HTTP requests via burp, okay? Create a malicious PHP file with this content, save as image.php, authenticate, yeah, but where do I put it at? Authenticated Koken CMS dashboard, upload your file and import content button in the library panel. It did say something about the library in the beginning, didn't it? So library, import content button. View site, last import content. There we go, okay. So pretty much what we're going to do, this is, I try to do this a lot actually. Let's just go ahead, because we don't even really need to read any more of that text. I think I know exactly what to do. This is like one like the main one I try to do. So we're going to go ahead and copy over from Pentest Monkey Reverse Shell. We're going to move that to Instead of PHP reverse shell, shell.php. Let's go and nano that. Nano shell.php. Do an ifconfig up here. Let's go ahead and change out our IP address. Alright, cool. And then from here, we already got burp, so let's go ahead and get burp suite up and running. What we're going to do is we're going to send it up as a php.jpg, and then it looks like it's probably only doing client-side validation. So from there, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change over that client-side validation. We're going to change our php.jpg to something like shell.php. So we'll do a move shell.php to shell.php.jpg. Yep, so I've done this one many a times. Next, start up burp suite, and we'll go ahead and this one should actually be a pretty good one, like right here. So we'll go to, see, I usually can't get this one to work for just client-side validation, but I always try to show you guys it because I have done this one before. So drop files or click to browse. We can go ahead and click. We are in Proving Grounds, right? What is this thing called again? What's this box called? Oh God. Photographer. Okay. And shell.php.jpg. Now we're going to import that. Now he should intercept it, right? And we're just going to get rid of this just like that. Right click. Let's go ahead and send that to repeater just to make sure. Send that off. And definitely says 302 not found. Let's try to forward it anyways, because that's what it seemed like that guy was trying to make us do. But if it's not, now he's going to look like an asshole. Events, content, published, content after that. Okay, I think we got it. I think we did it. Let's go ahead and turn intercept off. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Last import was this guy right here. Should probably start with listener, huh? For shell.php.jpg, even though we're not actually doing that. Refresh to not upload the whole thing? If not, it took forever to upload. Content. Can we see like import content, cancel, last import? We got two of them here. Let's go ahead and keep reading this guy then. I'm burp renaming your file with that, okay. Post to API target boundary equals image.php. On select your file and put the mouse on download file to see where your file is hosted on server. Mouse on download file, what the hell? Upload an image. Shell.php. I'm just going to try this import link real quick. Add more or click import to begin upload. Import. Just uploaded. One element is finished uploading to the library. And it says to put your mouse over download to see where it downloaded to. Where is that at? Download. Where is the download app for this thing? Properties. To see where it went to. View site. That's not what I wanted. Content. Not very intuitive, this thing, is it? Coca CMS library, select view file and put the mouse on download file. What do you mean put the mouse on download file? It literally makes it. Hey, this shit's like now like proper English. Like click button. Okay. Link. Is that the link like right there? Shell2.p. Is this the link for it? Like right here? That looks like something that would be Shell2 because that's not working at all, obviously. So let's go ahead and re-upload that again. Last import. Import content. Import. Let's go ahead and turn on burp speed again. We'll go ahead and drop file in here again. Boom. Import him. Oh, crap. Turn the intercept back on. And I think this is like where we want to see that. Shell PHP tag 3. That's like where we want to see that. Import content. Import. Shell.php. Import. Now he got picked up. Get rid of the JPEG portion of it, right? There we go. Okay, that was like he did that. We'll forward it and just keep forwarding it until we can't forward it anymore. Alright, he looked like he got it. And now we have content shell. Or are we still trying to forward stuff? Turn intercept off. Turn that off. And now we just have this. I feel like that's not going to be it. It was. Something happened. How about that? We definitely got it down here. So something happened. Okay, LS-TAC LA. CD back. So I don't know what happened, but something did. Love those questions. Hack Facebook. No. What? Do something illegal. CD to the hard www. LS-TAC LA. CD to HTML. LS-TAC LA. Alright, let's go ahead and CD into home. Actually, who am I, first off? Okay, I'm doing that. Okay. So we got this lost and found. That's weird. She's got a lot of stuff. This almost seems like it's a Linux box, but it seems like they try to make it more like a it seems like they try to make it more like a Windows box and how much stuff is in here and SMB and everything. You know, that's what it kind of seems like. Okay, there's our local. Let's cat our local.txt real quick. There we go. We can cat that, so that's good. From here, we're going to do an SUID bit because I don't know what else to do yet. So let's see what type of SUID bits we can get. I'm also wondering if we can look at our bash history. No. Okay. See, desktop, you got anything in there? No. If it was an actual Windows box, there would be stuff in desktop. Let's go ahead and do a cat the SUID bits. Well, first let's do a which Python. And if we can't find anything with that, we'll go ahead and throw linps and Linux exploit suggester at it. Scripts, full shell. And then we'll do cat scripts SUID lookup. And we'll wait for that guy to see what happens here. Okay, PHP 7.2. Well, that's a new one for me. Let's go ahead and go into GTFO bins and see what that guy's all about, huh? Probably should not have exited out of that, but whatever. GTFO bins. What was it? It was PHP, right? SUID. Shouldn't matter what we're doing here. Okay, so the binary has SUID bit set, does not drop the elevated privileges. It may be abused to access file system, escalate, and maintain privilege access as an SUID backdoor. If it is used to run sh-tac-p, omit the tac-p argument on systems like Debian, stretch to allow for the default sh shell to run with SUID privileges. Okay, so if we omit that tac-p, then that means that we're going to become the same user that we already are, is what I understand with that. So we don't need to install, we can just go ahead and do that, like right there, I think. I might want to cd into user bin and try that one more time. And yep, that's how you do it. Like right there, I knew that. Okay, cd into root, LS-TAC LA, and we'll cat that proof.txt. Alright, well there's that one, like right there. Community rate is at intermediate. If I really rate that intermediate, I'll probably rate that easy. But that was not very... I didn't find that one very difficult. I mean, obviously everyone finds different things difficult or whatever, you know. Oh, that's feedback. Hints, feedback, notes, rate difficulty. That was more like a 1. We'll say a 2. There. We'll try to stick with what the community says. Alright, so we'll go ahead and stop that machine. So